The element carbon. Did you know that an element is a substance made entirely from one type of atom? For example, the element carbon is made from atoms containing 6 protons and 6 electrons. Overall, a particular atom will have the same number of protons and electrons, as well as the same or least number of neutrons. As you can see here, the atomic number of a carbon element is 6, because there are 6 protons in that specific atom. Moreover, the atomic mass of a carbon element is 12, because it sums up the mass number of protons and neutrons. For example, the element carbon comes in a number of forms, but contains 2 most important structures. The first structure is a diamond, which is clear and is known to be one of the hardest substances. In fact, diamonds are used in jewelry because they are so hard in the industry for cutting, drilling, grinding, and polishing. The second most important structure of carbon is graphite. Graphite comes in the color dark black and it has a soft texture. Graphite is mostly used in pencil tips. Therefore, without graphite, individuals would not be able to demonstrate their artistic skills on paper. As we all may know, all life on Earth depends on carbon. That means everything in the world is made from carbon, or at least contains a small percent of carbon. Overall, carbon is such an important element used in the universe because without carbon, the universe would not exist as is. To conclude, the element carbon is used for essential purposes in human resources. Another way the element carbon is essential is because all plants rely on it. Without carbon, plants would not exist. Therefore, this means every animal on Earth needs carbon to survive. You cannot eat carbon. It needs to be recycled in plants before individuals use it. As a matter of fact, carbon is used in the form of coal, which is used as fuel. For this reason, without fuel, humans would not be able to use vehicles as a form of transportation. Thus, without carbon, humans would not be able to use charcoal because carbon is the main ingredient of charcoal. In addition to that, carbon combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide as well. The element carbon doesn't dissolve in or react with water or acids. Overall, it has the ability to make long strings or chains of atoms. Carbon forms more compounds than any other elements combined. As a matter of fact, carbon's phase at room temperature is a solid and is considered to be non-toxic. Overall, carbon is the 6th element in the periodic table. It's located between boron and nitrogen. In conclusion, it's a very stable element. Because the element carbon is stable, it can be found both by itself and in many natural occurring compounds.